Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the first challenge prompt for this month, that word being snow. All I can say is, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Coming into this piece, I really wanted to make just a single beautiful snowflake, and I really wanted the design to be pretty simple on how I etched it out. I decided I would go with the outer rim of the snowflake to be a little bit more solid, and then have the middle of it be very fine line and delicate looking. I've always loved the idea of snowflakes and how they are never the same. It's just crazy to me when you think about it. With how much snow actually falls from the sky, it's crazy that not one of them are ever the same. But I'm going to be quiet, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the snowfall, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word snow. Now I think this turned out really pretty, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're on the back of your brochure, right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!